Today we shall create a file share. The first thing that we would need to do in order to create a file share is to create a storage account. In one of my previous videos, I have already created a storage account, and I would like you to go and watch that video first and then come and watch this video. To start things off, here I am on my storage account main page, and I would click on file shares on the left hand side, and currently I have no file shares. I would click the plus sign on top, and let's create a file share. I would leave all of this at default, and I would create a file share. So now my file share is created. Click on my file share. Click on upload to upload a file. Select a file to upload. Test upload. And let's upload. So now I've uploaded my test file. What I would like to do is I would like to connect to this file share from a virtual machine that is on premise. In order to do that, I would need to click the connect button, and I can connect to this file share depending on my operating system, either Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Currently on my on-premise, I have a Windows virtual machine. So I shall leave it at Windows, and the authentication method is the storage account key. And I need to copy this script and paste it in PowerShell, but not as an administrator, as mentioned over here. I can run this as a normal user in PowerShell. Also, there's one more thing to note. I'm going to mount it as a Z drive. In order for this script to run and work properly, TCP port 445 should be open. If it is not open, then this file share will not be able to mount on your Windows machine. Let's go into my Windows machine. If I go to my computer, I can see that currently there are only two drives, which is a C and D. Let's search for PowerShell. And paste my script. And now you can see that my file share has been mounted as the drive letter Z, and my test file has been uploaded. Great. So now we'll close this out. We'll close this as well. And we'll try and access this storage account through the Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer. So let's open up this Storage Explorer. Currently, there are no storage accounts. Let me add my storage account. So let's connect to Azure Storage. Click on Storage Account or Service. And let's log in by account name and key. Click Next. Display name, we can give it any display name. So let me give it KZCC storage account. Go back into my Azure portal. Click on my storage account. Click on access keys and copy my storage account name. Paste it over here. Go back into my portal. Show my key, copy my key, and paste my account key, and click on Next. Okay, let's try and connect. Great. Now you can see that my storage account has been connected. If I expand on file shares, I shall see that I have KZCCFS, which is the file share that I created. And I will see that my file test upload has successfully been uploaded. Now I do not have any blob containers. Let's go and create a blob container. Let's go to containers on the left-hand side. Similarly, like I created my file share, I shall create a container by clicking on the plus container sign. Let's give it a name. Okay, CC blob storage and click create. So similar to my file storage or my file share, I have created a blob storage. In order to create a blob storage, you first need to create a container. Let's click on my container and let's upload the same file. Test upload, and let's click on upload. My file has been successfully uploaded, which is great. Now go back into my virtual machine, refresh, expand my storage account, expand my blob storage, and you can see that my container KZCC DS, which is blob storage, has been created. If I open it, I shall see that my file over here has been successfully uploaded. Now to disconnect my storage account, I would simply right click on my storage account and click on detach. Are you sure? Yes, I do want to detach my storage account, and now my storage account has been detached. So if I close the Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer and if I go into this PC and right click and show more options in Windows 11 and click on disconnect, my file share has been disconnected as well. So in this video, I showed you how to create a file share, upload a file in file share, mount the same file share using a PowerShell script on your virtual machine on premise. And after that, we went ahead and created a blob storage, uploaded a file in blob storage, and accessed both blob storage and file share using Microsoft Azure Storage Explorer. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.